Hi everyone, I'm doing a pack opening, Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening, and I got got 10 packs of Power of the Elements for $3.99, and I'll just get into it. It's actually my, well, I think, oh, there's Melfi's. Oh, Scatter Fusion or something, I don't really know. So there's like that bit there. And there's just like the others of it. Morphtronics are in here. Yeah, Morphtronics. So I got one secret super. Oh, Gemini Quartz. Put that with that. Double Dust Tornado Twins. On to the next pack. Over Fusion. Is that for Element? Yeah, Element of Heroes. Punk Jam Extra Session. Please don't tell me that I bought some packs and that, like these packs and that, and I'm not going to get a secret or anything. Hopefully that's not true. Unless I'm cheating. Unless some person's been cheating and put a weight in that with them. Brilliant Rose. Over Fusion. Something Jet. And I think it's just like, yeah. Because some people do actually like bring weighing scales with them, they do, to see which ones have the heaviest pack. And they say, oh, okay, I'm going to have that pack, and this one, and this one. And it's not really fair on people who are trying to get them. Ooh! Got my first Ultra. And it's a fish. So that can go there. I'll just put them there and put that there. And I've got like 5 packs left. Oh, instant connection. Instant contact, I mean. Oh, that is cool. Secret rare. Got my first secret. I don't know if my friend Dark Magician is going to need this card or not, unless he's already got one. That is cool. Just put them there, and then move that one there, and then have that one just there. That is cool. Scarecrow. And then I've got 2 packs left. Oh, my bloody door. I'm trying to like show you the secret or anything. Or whatever. Whatever it's going to be next anyway. Oh, I just pulled both secrets from just 10 packs. Oh, that is cool. There's like the rest of them. I wonder if I could actually pull it prismatic, but I think that's like not likely. Let's see what I'm going to end with. That's cool. I probably will be buying more of these packs. Oh, Moki Moki. Adrift. Moki Moki Adrift. Yeah. Focus on the cards. There we go. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I can't believe I've actually got the two secrets from these packs, which is cool. Got one ultra. Only got one ultra. Yeah, please give me. If you're new to my channel, please consider that subscribe button. If you like Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, and I'll be doing some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff on my channel. If you've looked on my channel, there's a few Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. If you like Yu-Gi-Oh, please consider that subscribe button. Really helps me out with this. With this video, really helps me out with some videos. Yeah, like, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.